Oh no, my AI is hallucinating again.
Has this ever happened to you? Is it your fault? Is it the AI's fault? No. Well, I mean, kinda, but let me ask you this. Say you needed to create a REST API with authentication, rate limiting, and open API documentation right now, but you had to do it all from memory. Could you do it? Not very likely. Could your AI? It would definitely try. What if I gave you the complete documentation for all the parts involved? Could you do it then? Yeah, probably given time. Could your AI? If you got the good ones, then absolutely, and 10 times better than you and a whole lot faster. Your memory is not perfect, and neither is your AI, so why ask your AI to do something without giving it the right context? What is context, you ask? Context is king, my friend. Context is the information needed to ground your AI to the truth of whatever you're asking it to do. According to Andrej Karpathy, context engineering is the new prompt engineering. So where do I get this context, you ask? Well, up until now, you only had a few options, and none of them were that great. You could write your own from scratch, you could search the web and compile what you find, you could even ask your agents to do it for you now. But then what? Even if you create the world's best context for whatever you're doing, you still have to maintain it somewhere. And you don't want to be copying and pasting that junk all the time. You're not going to implement a RAG solution. So what do? Well, use context. No, I'm not being obtuse. UseContext is the name of our new platform, a crowd-curated context cloud, a central repository for all your context needs. UseContext, found at usecontext.online, is a full-featured web application that allows you to create, share, and find context for all of your AI processes. Whoop-de-doo, you say, another place to store my context. Won't I still have to manually create them and copy and paste that junk all the time? No. Thanks to a few good folks over at Anthropic, we have a new protocol that has taken the AI world by storm. Yeah, that's right. UseContext has a full-featured MCP server at always.usecontext.online that allows you to connect your agents and AI processes to the context cloud with a single copy and paste. Then all you have to do is ask your agent to use context. Hallucination elimination guaranteed. Want to have Claude Code build the perfect T3 stack app? Ask it to use context to find the top guide. Or heard about a new badass chicken sandwich recipe? Just use context, I bet it's there. Oh, so you're wondering how is this different than just having your agent search the web for context? Let me ask you this. How do you know what it finds is correct, up-to-date, or complete? You don't. For the most part, the process is pretty much opaque, and what's more, you may not get the same results every time. Will you have the same problems with UseContext? No. UseContext leverages the power of the crowd to create the best context, so the cream will rise to the top. We have a leaderboard for that, and you know people love leaderboards, so before long, we'll probably have all the best context in the world. And until then, the UseContext thinking machines and supercomputers are out there seeding our cloud as we speak. The platform is fully featured. You can create public contexts and collections of contexts, or you can make them private depending on your needs. You can chat with them right in the app. If you don't like new things like MCP, we also have a full-featured API. UseContext was built with Bolt.new, Supabase, Netlify, and you guessed it, the UseContext MCP server. So what are you waiting for? You and your AIs go to usecontext.online and start using context today.